Dunaway decided to open an office in San Antonio because the economy here is growing a lot. It's a good place to be. There's a lot of work to be done, both municipally, that sort of projects, which we do a lot of those here, but also in private development.
One of the greatest things we have as the asset is we've got civil engineers and landscape architects that understand site development and can bring those two together as you're developing the site. And it just creates a strong team and a lot of successful projects. Every project needs to go through that quality control. It's very stressed because we want to make sure that the client's happy and that technically it's a solid plan.
Greenline is a series of weirs along a creek. Where the creek turns into ponds, and we've created ponds from this project. There are some great lawns along the edge of it and more park-like features, things like pavilions and trails and artwork that the project has incorporated in.
When we were designing Greenline, one of the things is what can we do to lower maintenance? And so when you use native grasses and wildflowers, those plants don't take as much maintenance, and they kind of weed themselves and take care of themselves. The new design lets it just be more natural and a lot less maintenance.
Hangar 9 is a World War I airplane hangar, and that is really unique and not something that you find that much anymore. And so it was a wooden hangar that they restored around the site and then turned into an event space, and people use it all the time.
On the site design, one of the things we did was we didn't want to take away from the hangar. So if you're out there, you'll notice the landscape's very simple because we wanted people to see the structure. And when it was originally built, they wouldn't have flowers and trees. I mean, it was more of a useful structure. And so we kept the landscape really clean so you could see it from the intersections it's seen from all angles.
As part of the Dunaway team, it was a joy to work on that project.
That's why we do the profession, because the late nights and the all-nighters trying to come up with designs, and we put a lot of heart and soul into our design. It's that end, so we can go out there and experience something we helped create and see people use those spaces.